Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you in 2025. Happy New Year, everybody. January 2nd, 2025, the first trading day of the year, and thank goodness we started off on a very green note. I shouldn't say very green. It was not a big green day, but it was a green day. Nevertheless, I'm very happy about it. Nothing crazy, but we weren't looking to be crazy. Man, let's just dive in. The big deal for me, really, and the thing I'm probably most excited about is I am so close to getting 20 funded Apex accounts. As you know, we have this big sale going on with Apex. Today is the last day. So we literally have, probably by the time this video drops, about 6 hours or so before the sale ends. This is probably the best sale Apex has ever done. 90% off. They've done that before, but they have changed all their accounts to be 167. So a 300K account, 150K account, every account is $16.70 with this sale. And they have $85 lifetime PA fee, which supposedly expires tonight. I do think that may still be going on tomorrow or extended a little bit, but I don't know. Either way, it is a very, very, very good sale. While we're on the note of sales, the Take Profit Trader 40% off and fees refunded on first payout. Essentially what that means, free account. If you pass in one take and you get a payout, you have a free account. That deal with Take Profit Trader is ending this week. So if you're looking for evaluation accounts, my recommendation 100% would be Apex and Take Profit Trader, and code BCT gets you the best deal. But obviously support whoever you'd like to support. If you choose to use code BCT, I just want to say thank you. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for doing that. But I want to get that information out there now. I loaded up on quite a bit of Apex evals on Christmas Eve, or not Christmas Eve, on New Year's Eve when this sale started. And I did trade, and let me just go there. Well, as you can see, I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I have 13 funded accounts right now. I passed 70, 71, 72, 73, and 74. I passed these 5 on Friday. Today seems like Monday. I passed those on New Year's Eve, which would have been Tuesday. Today is Thursday. Anyway, so I passed those 5. But what I want to show you is I actually almost passed 12, which would get me to 20 funded Apex accounts. I've never had 20, and I'm pretty ecstatic about it. So today I passed 4 more. So as you can see, the remaining, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 2 extra ones here, but the remaining 7 that I've traded, I have 4 more of them passed today, and the other ones I did have a loss 225 on this one, a loss of 172, and a loss of 246. So these, I'm about, $430, 370, $450, whatever, away from passing these accounts. I basically copy traded all 12 of the accounts, the funded accounts I have today, and the remaining evals here on New Year's Eve, and got several across the finish line. The rest of them were close, and then I've just been working on those today. I actually spent most of my day trading these. I really didn't take many trades on my Apex account. So, but anyway, tomorrow morning we'll have 4 more, so we'll have 17, and if I can get these last 3 that are red here across the finish line, I will have my 20 funded Apex accounts. I'm pretty excited about that, to be honest with you. I'm also trying to pass 5 Take Profit accounts. I've kind of been up down on these. They're pretty much all right around 50,000 or probably right around 0, with the exception of this last one here, which I had a loss on, I don't know, some time ago. It's all a blur with the holidays, but we had a $400 loss day on those today. We're just kind of taking it slow, and I'm not being too aggressive. I'm not taking big losses, and that is one of the big things that I want to talk about for 2025 for me. I'm going to try, and if I deviate, I need you to yell at me in the comment section, or shoot me a nasty email. My email is pretty simple, blackcoffeetrader@gmail.com. But anyway, my goal is to keep my losses to like $200. I really do not want to risk more than about 200-ish on my funded accounts each and every day. And if I can get to the 20 accounts with Apex, I really need, if I can get 50 to 200 a day, every single day, I'll be happy. Now, granted, I know there's going to be red days, but that's the point is I want to keep those red days to a minimum. But anyway, today was just a big volatile move. And as you can see, my chart looks completely different. I have to completely rebuild everything because I was trying to install Replicanto and I was getting an error message, and I ended up re-downloading NinjaTrader, which killed my entire old system. And so I'm having to rebuild this entire chart trader and everything from scratch. So I don't have my support resistance lines on here. I don't have my indicators that I'm not a big indicator guy, but I do have a couple indicators that I typically use. I don't have those on here. So my chart does look a little bit not like you're used to, but we'll take a little glance here at the day. This is the trading day. We obviously had a V-shaped move down from the open this morning, and then we ripped back up, ripped back down, chopped around, big sell-off here midday, and then we've kind of slowly rebounded out of that today. I do remember the level 21,000 was on my charts, and we were bouncing off of that very well today. That was very much a grab along on 21,000. You did well, but I did not take very many trades on my funded accounts because of the market volatility. I was trading one micro. I took a short right here out for 36 bucks, and I took another little short here. Didn't want to give back, and I didn't like the way the trade was going, and I killed it, and I was out for $6 there essentially. So these numbers are not quite correct, but we basically have about $40 to $45 per funded account today, which is quite okay. And let me just pull up my dashboard from TradeZella. So first trading day of the year, we're actually up 835 because I did have a winning day on UProfit. There is another big story with UProfit. I might as well just go there while I'm here now. But as you can see today, can you see this? Let me just make sure. Today we are up 284 today, and I have switched to trading 4 micros. This is the account that I did take a payout on, and I had it all over the place. I'll actually pull up the other UProfit dashboard. I want to show you. I took 2 trades today. I took a long trade right here off this 21,000, and then I took so that was two sells. I went in with 4 contracts long, sold 2, and then sold 2 more. I thought I had another one. Maybe I had a pre-market trade. Yes, I had a pre-market trade where I went short right here and sold 2 contracts and then sold 2 more contracts. So I'm just trying to play it safe, but we did have a nice $284 winning day today on that account. And that puts this account back to 51,000. So I've got $1,000 in profit. Now, let's just go back to the other side of this, so to speak. So here we can see this is the undoing, and this is probably what some of you may, I'll say it. There's my email, by the way, blackcoffeetrader@gmail.com. So if I deviate from what I said, yell at me, please do that. So today we're up $1,000 now total, but as you can see here, let's go into my last, I forget when I did my last update. It might have been around Christmas Eve or something. So the 23rd of December, I lost 1,900 at a big red day after this account was up to 53.80, 485, so almost 3,500 in profit. I did take a payout, big red day, had another red day on Christmas Eve, down 390. And then the day after Christmas, I was up 476. And then the 27th, I lost another $1,000. So I really put the screws to myself. And then on New Year's Eve, I made 214. But here's the story. On that particular day, at one point, this account had 101.75 left. So I thought I was going to blow this UProfit account. And we went from $100 in profit back up to 1,000 today, 284. So slowly but surely, I do have 10 trading days. I've just obviously given back. I took some really stupid bad trades here, and I've switched to trading micros with my UProfit account here as well. And here's the deal: I'm trying to milk this thing. I'd like to get some more payouts. I took one out for 1,500, and I'd really love to get this thing to a max payouts, but obviously I've got my work cut out. These 0 accounts are gone. I'm not surprised. If I blow this account or take the max payout on it, the account is gone. So I'm gonna ride it for as long as I can, and hopefully I can take another payout on that account. So anyway, that's the story with UProfit, but that's why we're up 834. But we started with a nice green day on the month of January on the year of 2025, and that's the goal. So just want to continue to march forward there. And obviously, I think the big thing for me is just to take this thing slow and steady and get myself to the 20 funded accounts. Like I said, tomorrow morning, we should be able to have 17 since we passed those other 4 more today, and slowly but surely build this thing up to 20 and take it slow and steady and get myself to some nice Apex payouts in 2025. I have not put my goals down yet for 2025, as you can see, but I'll try to get working on that. So once again, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for supporting the channel. I hope you had a great day today. Hope you had a good, nice green day. This market was crazy, and it is definitely, if you're trading it and you're trading minis, my hat's off to you. I am definitely sizing down, trading 1 to 2 micros and being very careful. In fact, I even traded 1 to 2 micros on the Apex accounts that I was trying to pass today just because of the volatility. So anyway, be careful out there, but I hope you had a great green day. And thank you for supporting me. Thanks for using code BCT. Don't miss this opportunity with Apex and Take Profit Trader if you're looking for evals, whether you're using my code or anyone else's code. Don't miss this opportunity. It's a great opportunity to stock up on very low prices and some really good promos with Apex and Take Profit. So again, thank you. Appreciate you all. Have a great day, and we'll try to have another update for you tomorrow afternoon. Take care, and so long.